Have you ever wondered what a calorie really is? When the back of the Lifesavers package says that one Lifesaver is 15 calories, that means that when the Lifesaver is burnt, it raises the temperature of 1 gram of water 15 degrees Celsius. But how does burning a piece of food transfer energy to the water? Well, foods are made of compounds, or several elements put together. The way that these elements stay connected to one another is through bonds. These bonds lay between the individual molecules and create a lasting attraction between the elements. Bonds aren't physical things we can see or touch, rather they are forces pushing the molecules towards each other, just like magnets. Bonds release energy when created and need energy to be destroyed, which may seem a little bit backwards. One way we can destroy bonds is through heat. So when we heat up these foods by burning them, we destroy those bonds. However, in destroying these bonds, we make it possible for more bonds to be formed. More bonds are formed than were originally destroyed, releasing energy in the form of heat, which is then recorded in the raise of temperature of the water. We call this process of measuring the heat transfer calorimetry. Here's an example. I have a marshmallow and I burnt it below 50 grams of water. My starting temperature of the water was 19 degrees Celsius, and my ending was 76.4 degrees Celsius. To find heat transferred, we use Q equals mc delta T, where Q is heat, m is mass, c is specific heat, and delta T is change in temperature. Because we are measuring the change in temperature of water, we use data from the water rather than the marshmallow. So to replace m, we have 50 grams. To replace c, we have 4.184, which is the specific heat of water. And to replace delta T, we have 76.4 minus 19, which is 57.4. So we get that Q equals 12,008.08 joules per gram of marshmallow. Let's take a look at what's going on inside of this marshmallow while it's being burned. Marshmallows are mainly made of sugar, specifically sucrose and corn syrup. The molecular formula for sucrose is C12H22O11, and corn syrup is C6H14O7. So when we burn a marshmallow, bonds are going to break in this marshmallow like the ones here and here. But during combustion, commonly known as burning, a lot of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are released. A similar thing happens inside of our bodies. However, instead of breaking those bonds by burning, our body has other forms of breaking those bonds. Once those bonds are broken, our body has the opportunity to make new bonds and form compounds that our body needs to function.